Tired of generic AI presentations that miss your exact topic? You know the ones I mean. They look fine, but the content feels off. It doesn't match what you actually need. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to feed Gamma your own prompt so you get a custom deck in minutes, not hours. I'll show you exactly how to generate a presentation from scratch using your own prompt, step by step. All right, so let's jump right in. We're going to start by heading over to Gamma's website. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is find the big button that says Generate and click it. This is your starting point. It takes you to the creation page where the magic happens. And here's the thing, Gamma is built to work with your ideas, not force you into a template. So this first click is where you take control. Now, enter your own prompt. I'll use solar system as an example, but you can type in literally anything. Maybe it's a business pitch, a lesson plan, or a project update. The more specific you are, the better Gamma understands what you want. So go ahead, type your idea into that text box. Don't overthink it. Just put in the core topic you need a presentation on. Next, let Gamma generate an outline based on your prompt. You'll see a button that says Generate Outline. Click it. And this is where the real power of using your own custom prompt shines. Instead of Gamma guessing what you need, it builds a structure around your exact words. It might take a few seconds to process, but give it a moment. You'll see a breakdown of slides appear. Take a quick look at this outline. Does it cover what you had in mind? If not, you could tweak your prompt and try again. But for now, let's move forward. Once the outline is ready, it's time to generate the full presentation. Click the Generate button. Now, pay attention to this one. This is where Gamma does the heavy lifting. It takes that outline and turns it into visual slides with text, images, and a layout that all ties back to your original prompt. You'll see it build the deck slide by slide. This might take a little while depending on how complex your topic is, but it's way faster than doing it all by hand. Now you can review each slide and make adjustments. Gamma gives you a full presentation to work with, but it's yours to customize. Click through the slides. Maybe you want to change an image, reword a bullet point, or swap the color scheme. Every element is editable. This is the part where you get to polish everything. And here's the really important part. Because you started with your own prompt, the structure is already solid, so you're just fine-tuning instead of rebuilding from scratch. Finally, export your presentation or share it directly. When you're happy with the final result, look for the export or share options in the top right corner. You can download it as a PDF, a PowerPoint file, or send a link to your team. Gamma even lets you publish it as a web page if you want, so pick whatever works best for your situation. And that's it. You went from staring at a blank page to having a fully customized presentation, all because you used your own prompt. No more wasting hours or settling for generic slides. Give it a try on your next project and see how much faster it makes your workflow. Thanks for watching.